In today's video, I'll show you how to safely remove WooCommerce from WordPress. This is useful if you're simplifying your site or no longer need the plugin. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins. Then select Installed Plugins. Find WooCommerce in the list. Click Deactivate to stop it from running. This is required before deletion. Once deactivated, click Delete. WordPress will ask for confirmation. Make sure you've backed up any important WooCommerce data like orders or customer info before proceeding. After confirming, WordPress will remove WooCommerce completely from your site. Refresh your plugins list to ensure it's gone. And that's it. You've successfully removed WooCommerce, keeping your site clean and optimized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips.